Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to charge your AC. I have a 2007 Toyota Prius that we're going to be using, but the steps are all basically the same. First thing you need to do is get your air conditioning set to the lowest temperature possible. You want to turn your fan on high. Okay, you're going to have a high side and a low side. Right here is a high side, and behind that is like a little porthole window where you can actually see if there's any Freon in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to move to the other side. And right here is your low side. It has a little cap on it, like a little valve stem cap. Okay, I got the Easy Chill Auto AC Recharge. Make sure you get the right kind of Freon you need. Now this was around $25. You get a hose with it in the can. You can buy the can and hose separate, but it's just cheaper for me to buy the whole thing since I didn't have the hose already. You got to remove this so you can dispense the Freon. Just unscrews like this. Then you got to screw this back on the can. You're going to put this on that little valve stem down there. You pull up, press down, let go. Give it a little tug, make sure it's connected. Go ahead, press your bottle. Let go. Now you're going to want to shake it at 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Just keep your eye on the gauge. You don't want to overfill it. This is going to take you about 5-6 minutes to do the whole process. Once you get it filled, remove the valve. Okay, I can already tell it's a lot colder. Now put that cap back on, that safety cap we took off, and store that in a nice, cool, dry place for next time you need it. Okay, this is a real quick, simple how-to project. Costs you around $25. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. As always, thank you for watching.